Hello, welcome to Lawrenceburg Public Library. I am Ms. Megan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Mo Willems craft pigeon. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so what we're going to do to start out is we're going to take our hand. Now, mine is going to be bigger because your hand might be smaller than mine, but we're going to take our hand and we're going to trace it like this. Okay, so once our hand is traced, then we have to connect it at the bottom using a line. So then that makes it round. So this is our pigeon's body. Now we're gonna cut it out. And we have to leave some of the extra blue paper so that we have enough blue paper for the face and for the neck. So we'll set that aside. Now we have to cut our pigeon's body out, and we can cut this very carefully. Use all of our cutting skills and practice our cutting skills, because that's a very important skill for a person to have. You gotta be able to cut stuff out. Very important. Okay, this is our pigeon's body. So now what we have to do is take the rest of our paper and cut out a nice circle-shaped head. So we have a template in your kit that will help you cut out a nice circle so that you don't have to worry about drawing one yourself. So let's cut out this nice round circle. And there's our head, perfect. And then the last thing we need is a neck. So we have to cut out a long blue rectangle for the pigeon's neck. And there is a template in your craft kit. So if you need help drawing a rectangle, you can cut that out and trace that. Okay, so now we have our pigeon's neck, our pigeon's head. Now we just have to put everything together. So we also have in our craft kit a little piece of yellow paper, which we will cut a small yellow triangle out of for the beak. And we also have a piece of black paper, which we will use to cut out two little rectangles for his legs, okay? We also have a little piece of white cardstock that we can cut into a square. Put that on his neck right there. And then, of course, we have a big, giant googly eye. So now we just have to glue everything together, okay? We'll start with the pigeon's neck. We just need a glue stick. And we put some glue, and then we glue it to the back of the hand by where the bottom of your hand is. And then we'll do the head, put some glue on the back of the head, and then we attach it to the neck. Perfect. Okay, and it's a little lopsided. That's okay. Now we'll glue on the legs, so our little black rectangles. We'll flip it over. Right here at the bottom, we will glue on the little legs here. Ah! Dropped my leg. Here we go. Just like that. Here's how our pigeon's looking so far. Okay, now we have to glue his little white collar. So we just add some glue to the back. Put it right on his neck. And then our little yellow triangle for the beak. And we'll probably want to glue that to the back too, but either way is okay, the front or the back. It's up to your artistic discretion. And we are almost done. There's one thing the pigeon's missing, and that is the eye. So I would actually recommend, I think your googly eyes that will come in your packs will be self-stick, and you will just peel it off. This particular giant googly eye needs some glue. So I will put some glue on this, but you won't have to worry about it because yours will just stick right on. Okay, that will need a little bit to dry, but it's perfect. And here he is, all finished. Thank you so much for helping me make this Mo Willems pigeon craft today. I hope you stop into the Lawrenceburg Public Library and check out all of Mo Willems' books. I'll see you soon.